positive. Alrighty, so section E actually, circles again. Writing the equations of circles. So not drawing them, but just writing the equation. If you've been given any point and any radius, say you've been given 2, 3, or maybe you've been given 8, 10, or 8, negative 10, and you've been given a radius of 100, you can write an equation very simply, remembering that the equation of a circle is x take al squared plus y take bl squared equals r squared. So all you've got to do is work out what's a, what's b, put it in the formula. So let's think about this. Well, r, here, r is obviously 100. So that r is going to go in here. Very simple. A, remember, if we've got the centre coordinates, the coordinates of the centre of a circle are A, B. So if you've been given the centre of the circle here as 8, negative 10, you know that A equals the first number, so A equals 8, B equals the second number, B equals negative 10. Once you've been given that, you can just put the numbers in. So you get x minus A, so x minus A is x minus 8, all squared, plus y minus b, well, b is negative 10, so minus 10, all squared equals r, we've been given r, it's 100, equals 100 squared. There's your answer. Oops. Did I make a mistake? Yes, I did. It should be x minus 10, shouldn't it? Because b is minus 10. Let's do another one. This one up here, which is the one actually in your notes, if we have a bit of a closer look at it. We've got a centre 2, negative 5, and radius 4. All the time, we're remembering that the centre coordinates are AB, and the r equals the radius. We're also remembering that the equation of a circle is x take a all squared plus y take b all squared equals r squared. Alright, two things we're remembering. So if we've got the centre as 2, negative 5, which is what our question is, that means A equals the first number, B 2, B equals the second number, that equals negative 5. When we begin, our radius is 4, so we can just write our equation. X minus A, so x minus 2 squared, plus y minus b, so that's y minus 5 squared, equals r squared. What was r? 4, so that's going to equal 4 squared. Now remember that a plus plus is minus, so you can write that as x take 2 squared plus y plus 5 squared equals 16. You don't have to change that to 16 if you don't want to. Then you're done.